Hello my dear friends, Welder Arts here. In today's video, part 2 of figure series, we're gonna talking about how to prepare figure for priming. We will put the first highlights and shadows on the figurine, so get ready because it's gonna be wet. First, we need to prepare the necessary products to degrease the figure, removing traces of greasy hands and petroleum jelly, which we use to smooth the modeling mess in the first part. The water must be warm but not hot. Remember that small parts in resin or plastic figurine can become a little bit flexible and wobbly, and it's because of high temperature. I add the regular dish soap. Simply throw figure into the water. With a soft brush under the watchful eye of René, carefully scrub the figurine to get rid of the dirt from the recesses. We leave the figurine to fully dry. Let's talk about products for applying the first and the most important layer of paint on the figurine. We can talk about many companies that produce paints for the undercoat. For several years of my practice, I have used many types of primer. Now I'm using a few products which I will show you in a moment. Primer 500 and 1000, very good, but you need to dilute it, especially 500. Works great for painting models like military vehicles, airplanes and other stuff. To prime the figures, we need two colors, white and black. One-shot primer from company Ammomic is a very nice primer for me. He has never let me down and I have no problems with it. And because it's odorless, I give him another plus. The airbrush is equipped with a 0.4 nozzle, so that the primer can easily escape through it. Remember, we do not dilute the one-shot primer because it loses its properties. Okay, now I would like to say a little bit about the role of light in modeling, which reveals a completely different path for us. By mastering this technique, you will be able to present your work in a completely different way, show the atmosphere around a time of the day, position of the figures, details and surrounding, or draw the viewer's attention to the elements he should focus on. We could go on and on for hours and hours about the good properties of this technique, but let's get back to the topic. As you can see, the lamps on the desk are the source of light for the figurine. The figurine is illuminated from above and from both sides. If you turn off one of the lamps, we will observe where the shadow and the lights is. We can direct the source of the light wherever we like. It depends on us what we want to show on the figure. This is how to play of light and shadow is created. So the main task for the white and black paint will be to sketch for us an imitation of light and shadows falling on the figure, so that it will be a help for us needed for the further painting. The first color is black. And the entire surface is covered with a delicate layer. After drying the black paint, the white color will be imitate the light. Here I put it on from the top because it's the most popular angle to adding light in military figures. I focus on the most illuminated elements such as a cap, shoulders, sleeves, and I emphasize it with a white color. As you can see, the figurine, after placing the primer, it presents a perfectly placed light, which gives us an image for the further work. And that will be it for today's episode, my friends. Remember to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please see the comment section down below. And stay safe and make models. Bye bye.